Hello everyone, welcome to series of our thoughts on education, and today we invited our guest Bimal Roy, who is the Executive Director at Neotech Technical Campus, Virod, Baroda. So sir, thank you for accepting this invitation and being the guest of our series Thoughts on Education. Thank you sir.
Yeah, it's a pleasure being here in the company of College Dunia, and I thank heartily for inviting me for this session. I also extend my greetings to the viewers here on behalf of the fraternity of Neotech family. So it's my pleasure here being with you and be able to exchange some thoughts here while I'm interacting with all of you. Over to you.
Great sir. So we start with our first question. So sir, you have held key position in the corporate sector throughout your professional career. So what is the whole idea behind joining the education sector?
We are living in times where our country is positively striving to occupy its deserving place among the developed nations. However, during my 40 plus years of association with industry and having contributed to India's top corporate firms like Reliance, Larsen & Toubro, Birlas, I have observed that between today's education system and the industry's expectations from entry-level graduates, there is a perceptible gap. Brainstorming on this industry and academia gap and my desire to contribute to the millennials of this era, which has determined me to join this academic institution of excellence and give back to the society by the way of knowledge and experience that I've gained over the years.
Great, sir. So, really great answer. So, my next question is that being the executive director at Neotech Technical Campus, what is your philosophy of leadership?
Well, I believe that in today's era of technology and globalization, sole classroom teaching and subject knowledge are not sufficient for a student to face the professional world. I strongly believe that as an institution, our primary goal is to develop such an ecosystem where students are encouraged to go beyond merely acquiring knowledge, but also building strong capability of applying knowledge for practical purposes. So that's how I look at this particular issue that you have just asked me.
Okay, great, sir. Sir, my next question is, tell us about the Neotech Technical Campus and when it was established, about vision and course offered currently, sir.
Well, it's a long thing which I'll have to share with you, but I don't mind it as long as it serves the purpose. We are pleased to introduce ourselves as one of the most vibrant education campus in the state of Gujarat. Neotech Technical Campus is a government-approved educational campus which amalgamates various courses like the degree and diploma engineering, physiotherapy and applied sciences. Well, Neotechnical Campus was established in the year 2013 and sprawls across over 20 acres of lush green land and is located at a distance just about 6 kilometers from the National Highway number 8 on Harni-Virod Road. So, let me share with you our vision, which is very important, that drives any organization and for that matter our institution. The vision here is to develop and nurture intelligent brigade of students into professionals by giving them multidimensional approach towards learning. We also endeavor to make them self-sufficient such that they are able to contribute to the meet ever demanding industrial, societal and environmental changes with grit and vigor. We also believe in striving to achieve excellence not only in the field of education but also in grooming the students into dignified individuals. That's important, I feel. Our vision is also aimed at imbibing values in students, making them responsible citizens of the country and to be able to contribute to the society. That's again, I think, a point in case where I think I need to emphasize. We must make individuals who are worthy of the society. The other vision is, we are an academic campus which provides an environment where diversity flourishes and equal opportunity amongst all is encouraged. That's again a very, very important piece of vision that we embody in ourselves.
Really great, sir.
And we also strongly believe in developing mutuality of respect and integrity mutually amongst the staff and the students, to have a very strong sense of bonding. When talking about the courses, we have an array of multidisciplinary courses to offer to the students, like degree and diploma engineering courses in mechanical, civil, electrical and computer branches. We also have a physiotherapy as a distinct course to offer to students looking forward to pursue a career in paramedical field. Not only limiting ourselves to technical and paramedical courses, we also have a Bachelor of Science course offering subjects like physics, chemistry, maths, microbiology and biochemistry. All the courses offered are approved by respective governing bodies like the AICTE, UGC, and are affiliated with the renowned universities like GTU and STGU. So you see, we inspire confidence. Our institute is a place worthy of its presence and is one which offers multidisciplinary courses.
Really great, sir. So, sir, moving to our next question. How does the curriculum of the Neotech Technical Campus ensure that students get practical experience and will help to connect with the ongoing best practice in industry, sir?
Well, yes, that's a good question. I strongly believe that it is but expedient to reinvent education through practical experience. It is of prime importance to bridge the gap which is prevailing currently in the market. I cannot overemphasize this particular aspect. It is an established fact that ample jobs do exist in the market. However, due to the lack of grooming and orientation of the students, there is this void in the market as students are not able to live up to the expectations of the industries. Our, therefore, endeavor is to make students industry ready, as corporates and industries need warriors and not just peacetime generals. The academic curriculum is designed in such a way that the students from day one are exposed to practical learning approach. As a part of this, they undergo 21 days of mandatory field-based bridge course. Apart from the prescribed academic curriculum, we also follow an eclectic pedagogy where students intuitively acquire practical knowledge through our well-defined laboratories and each subject which enables the students to have hands-on expertise for their subject. Look, we also, as a regular feature, let me tell you, undertake and organize regional, national, even international industrial visits with the sole objective of global exposure and competitive skill enrichment amongst the students. Also, as a part of final year student training program, we impart soft skill grooming to the students to make them placement ready. Students are encouraged, therefore, for interdisciplinary and project-based learning, and this helps these students to acquire skills such as professional communication, project management, time management, dispute management, leadership, and very many other similar subjects. We are also giving high importance on learning through exposure, and for which our students are encouraged to organize and attend conferences, guest lecture, research seminars, technical fests, and so on and so forth.
Really great, sir. And this opportunity you provide to the student, opportunity and the platform you providing to student to get experience of the which is directly connect them with the industry. It's really great, and definitely students getting benefit from that, sir. Really great, sir. So, sir, moving to the next question. What do you aim for the Neotech Technical Campus in the years to come?
Well, I see Vadodara. Speaking of the city of Vadodara, being one of the leading industrial hubs of Gujarat,
Yes.
has in its proximity a large number of industries and healthcare facilities requiring trained manpower. There's no doubt about this. In the coming years, it is planned to make this Neotech Technical Campus more vibrant and tech savvy, and one of the leading skilled manpower provider for industries and healthcare sector, not only across the length and breadth of the state, but on a pan-India basis. Well, having said that, looking to the huge demand of trained professionals in the coming time, we are also planning to launch several courses in the area of nursing, Ayurveda, pharmacy, homeopathy, and commercial pilot license in time to come. That's the broad horizon which I have just shared with you.
Great, sir. So, sir, as you said, Neotech Technical Campus has recently introduced new program, Commercial Pilot License. So, can you brief about this program, sir?
Why, yes, why not? It's very exciting, let me tell you, and it's a very good question. And this has taken a lot of our heart and soul into deciding this particular course. And we take pride in introducing CPL course, which is the Commercial Pilot License course, and this Neotech School of Aviation, which is an integral part of Neotech Technical Campus. It is, if I were to give a little more insight into this, it is a licensed course approved by DGCA, which is the Director of Civil Aviation, New Delhi. To be very simple, let me tell you, this course allows you to be a commercial pilot, right? Well, pilot, a word which is dreamt by many. Yes, we are among the first few academic bodies to provide this licensed commercial pilot license course, as we call it, the commercial pilot license,
Yes.
Well, I would like to summarize few facts about this rising aviation industry in our country to give you a perspective, right? And also to list out the reasons why Neotech has decided to launch the School of Aviation. We have looked at some data available to us. Well, DGCA, which is the Director General of Civil Aviation, says, mind you, listen to this, the growth rate of aviation industry is doubling every 5 years.
Yes.
Shri Hardeep Singh Puri, our current Civil Aviation Minister of India, has quoted, again, please listen to this very carefully, more than 12,000 pilots would be required in the coming 2 years, which is a mammoth number. Well, one would be surprised to know that India has the third largest domestic aviation market and is predicted to overtake UK to become third largest air passenger market, both internationally as well as domestically by 2024. That's important. Hence, demand for qualified pilots is bound to grow manifold. It is hence essential to have a body which provides commercial pilot education and training under a proper academic environment with an idea to help the aspirants obtain the commercial pilot license. This licensed course is provided within the precincts of an institution functioning under a full-fledged academic campus, which offers a set of multidisciplinary courses set in the backdrop of all-pervading learning environment.
Really great, sir. So, sir, could you give us an insights about the eligibility criteria, the academic and training part, and the careers prospects of this course?
Well, yes, I'll be delighted to do that and share with you. Well, simply, to seek admission in CPL, the student has to be 12th Science MPC pass or its equivalent and has to undergo what? A class 2 medical fitness test. After that, he or she will be eligible to start CPL training. Actually, CPL training is divided into two parts. The first part is the classroom training, the duration of which is approximately, say, about 3 to 4 months, followed by DGCA exams. Well, the classroom training is undertaken at Neotech Technical Campus here, Virod, under the mentorship of a faculty, a very distinguished faculty by the name of Captain Bashir Yahya, who has more than 21,000 hours of flying experience and who has trained over 1,000 plus pilots all over the world. So he is a very distinguished person himself and brings a lot of value with him. He is a faculty resource, a key faculty resource, I might say. Well, the second part of the training, as I was saying, it's in two parts. The second part of CPL training is practical flying training of the duration approximately over 12 months or so. This course can be undertaken at PSA, California, USA, or in India, right? We have a tie-up with this very reputed university, which is the Pacific State Aviation University, USA, which is having very advanced, digitally empowered, multi-engine aircrafts and multi-engine, which is the mandatory requirement to become a commercial pilot. Well, CPL qualifies one to undertake a job as a pilot in airlines, general, aviation, corporate flying, flying club or the institute, Air Force and Coast Guard, which is the Navy. Well, with CPL, one can also join any airline as flight dispatcher or ground staff. So you see, it's a whole basket of course of which you can opt for. It offers you a very attractive future career, and which is very not only glamorous but is one which might excite most of the youngsters. So I see this as a very premium course. So that's about the commercial pilot license course. In brief, I mean, one who desires to know a little bit more, we can organize some counseling sessions and all that to have a little more information, should they show interest. So, well, gentlemen, in the end,
Sure.
I, on behalf of entire Neotech fraternity, heartily welcome you all to have a close look at the courses offered, including the soon-to-be launched commercial pilot license course, in particular, which I am emphasizing once again. So come and be part of Neotech Technical Campus. Thank you very much and see you. Have a good day.
Sir, your answers is really good and definitely it will help to students and currently pursuing the study here. And sir, once again I want to say thank you from my side and from College Dunia for being the guest of our series Thoughts on Education. And it's really privilege for us for being the part of our series Thoughts on Education, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, my privilege, sir. Thank you very much.